my name is JP. I am from South Africa and I'm the captain on Jewel.
I am Sam, and I'm from Australia, and I'm the deckhand on Jewel.
Hey guys, I'm Kylie and I'm the chef on Jewel and I'm from South Africa.
We accommodate 8 guests in 4 cabins. We've got 1 master cabin with a king size bed, 3 queen cabins with queen size beds. All have ensuite bathrooms and individually controlled air cons. Our preferred charter location is in the USVIs, BVIs, and also St. Martin and the rest of the French West Indies. Let me show you around the boat. We'll start on the Flybridge and we'll work our way down over the decks and down to the cabins. All right. As you know, Jewel is a 2024 model Fountaine Pajot 67 Allegria. The nice thing about this is the equipment and technology on board is of the best and of the latest. But on at our helm stations, we have the ability to control the entire vessel by means of a Scheibe system. So basically, from here, you can control the entire boat. You can put the lights on and off. You can see your tank levels. It's quite marvelous, in my opinion. And that's just one of the few perks, or one of the many perks of chartering a brand new boat. You get state of the art from top to bottom with absolutely everything. So being a captain on board sailing vessel Jewel, my favorite place of the boat is of course the helm station. Here we are fortunate enough to have 2. That would be the primary and that would be the secondary. Also my favorite place on board the boat is definitely the Flybridge. It's expansive, it's big, there's enough seating for 8 people comfortably. We've got 2 sunbeds at the back, we've got 2 stand-up paddle boards along with a lot of other water toys. This is a wet bar, so we serve drinks up here as well, and we've got a fridge here, some storage space, lovely seating, pretty nice, very comfortable, very open, very airy, very light. Right, let's make our way downstairs. Let me show you the foredeck of the boat. So what is lovely is we've got a door in the bow which allows for optimum airflow through the boat, keeping it nice and cool. We obviously do have air conditioning as well, but what's better than the nice fresh Caribbean breeze? So, all right, so up here we have another sunbed. You can bask out in the sun. We've got the trampolines, lie here while underway, and inside there we have a sail locker that's full of that's full of toys and spare sails and a few other items. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys the master cabin, also known as the maestro cabin, which is the owner's version. So you've got a king size bed, which is absolutely huge. You've got a separate entrance and exit to the foredeck, which leads through here. Very nice, very private. And you have a small couch, enough storage there. Through here, you have the bathroom, which has an absolute beautiful shower, very beautiful. You've got 2 basins, ample storage, top and bottom, separate toilet, which is always nice to have, and yet again, ample storage. Full-length mirror, which a lot of boats don't offer, so very nice to have. Behind this, we have additional storage, and as we know, everyone needs to do some work while on holiday, and that's why we have this. Nice place for work. Right. We do have Starlink on board. We have never had any issues with it. The router sits behind that wall over there, so it covers the entire boat. Yeah. Works very, very well. Coffee machine. All right. So here we have a queen cabin, as we would call it. Again, ample storage here as well. We have a nice mirror there, and then bathroom is in there. Showers, good size, very comfortable.
Okay. It has a door.
Yes.
Okay.
So pretty much everything you can expect from a boat in this class and size. All right. Then this one is slightly bigger. Also very nice, very spacious. The mirror opens up the space a lot. You've got big window. I mean, I think personally, I think the best is waking up in the morning and you have a beautiful view when you open your eyes, and then you step outside and it only gets better. Please follow me to the last cabin. So what's nice here, you have your own entrance. Just adds to privacy and exclusivity. All right, it's a bit dark. Let me get some lights going on in here. All right. Right, so again, here's a nice workspace. So if you have to do some work while on holiday, very comfortable. Small chair there as well. Ample storage in the cupboard behind you, and then also very nice bathroom, also completely dry and comfortable. Oh. Guys, let's do a tour of the cockpit and the outside of the boat. My second favorite thing on this boat is the tender, which is right here. It's absolutely perfect for water sports. It carries 10 people easily, so it's perfect for 8 in my opinion. Does the job very, very well. Over there we have the e-foil. We do offer that on charter as well, and we also have a second e-foil that's being ordered. Here at the back we have where we would normally do breakfast, lunch and dinner. Also comfortably seats 8 people. Lounge out here in the afternoons or lounge up there. It's dry, there's no wind back here, very nice. And then we also have a shade up here that pulls down all the way, which allows that afternoon sun, just the right amount of afternoon sun. Right, let's make our way inside to the galley. So here we have the galley, which is the heart of the home, essentially. It's equipped with 2 fridges up here and a freezer. We've got a lovely gas oven or propane oven. We've got a dishwasher. And then downstairs we have another fridge. We have a wine chiller located here. We've got custom branded Yeti cups for the guests' enjoyment. And then we have another nav station, very much similar to upstairs, but this is more for controlling the boat. Thank you very much for taking the time to follow me through the boat. And again, my name is JP, I'm the captain of Jewel, and I'm looking forward to having you guys on board. Thank you so much.